Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Subaru Forester, stock number 6083. This ran from the 9th 2013 to the 7th 2018. It has a FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Left front mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right front headlight, right front master switch, right front door card, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,